jungle animal song.
A is for antelope, orange antelope. Pick, pick, pick. B is for baboon, brown baboon. Ooh, ooh, ah. C is for chimpanzee, yellow chimpanzee. Chatter, chatter, chatter. D is for dragonfly, green dragonfly. Buzz, buzz, buzz. A, B, C, D, colorful jungle animal. E is for elephant, gray elephant. Toot, toot, toot. F is for frog, green frog. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. G is for giraffe, yellow giraffe. Munch, munch, munch. H for hyena, orange hyena. Laugh, laugh, laugh. E, F, G, H, colorful jungle animal. I is for iguana, green iguana. Hiss, hiss, hiss. J is for jaguar, orange jaguar. Brown, brown, brown. K is for koala, green koala. Munch, munch, munch. L is for lion, golden lion. Roar, roar, roar. I, J, K, L. Colorful jungle animal. M is for monkey, brown monkey. Ooh, ooh. N is for nyala, pink nyala. Snort, snort, snort. O is for orangutan, orange orangutan. Swing, swing. P is for panther, black panther. Snort, snort, snort. N, N, O, P. Colorful jungle animal. Q is for quail, green quail. Peep, peep, peep. R is for rhino, gray rhino. Grunt, grunt, grunt. S is for snake, yellow snake. Hiss, hiss. T is for tiger, orange tiger. Roar, roar, roar. Q, R, S, T. Colorful jungle animal. U is for umbrella bird, black umbrella bird. Woo, woo. V is for viper, green vipers. Sus. W is for warthog, brown warthog. Snort, snort, snort. X is for xenos, pink xenos. Tap, tap, tap. U, V, W, X. Colorful jungle animal. Y is for yellowtail, yellow, yellowtail. Swish, swish, swish. Z is for zebra, black and white zebra. Clip, clop, clip. Y, zoo. Colorful jungle animal. Kids Super Songs. A is for ape, swinging high in the trees. B is for bat, floating soft on the breeze. C is for croc with a snap, snap, snap. D is for deer with a tap, tap, tap. E is for elephant, trumpeting loud. F is for frog, leaping up on a cloud. C is for snake, sliding so sly. T is for tiger with fire in his eye. U is for Ural, climbing so high. From A to Z, come and sing with me. Jungle friends in a wild harmony. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. ABCs make the rhythm complete. V is for diaper, hiding below. W is for wombat, moving so slow. X is for X-ray fish, shining so tall. Y is for yak with his woolly roll. Z is for zebra, stripes so neat. Jungle ABCs can't be beat. From A to Z, come and sing with me. Jungle friends in a wild harmony. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. ABCs make the rhythm complete.
Let's power up with a song. Super Kid.
Super Kids Song. Hula hula hoop, hoop hoop hoop. Spin it round and round, don't let it droop. Twist it to the left and to the right. Wiggle wiggle wiggle, hold on tight. Bounce it on your knees, feel the breeze. Twirling in the air with so much ease. Jump and stand and shout, whoop whoop. Hula hula hoop, just keep the loop. Hula hula hoop, play all day. Dance and laugh and never stop. Hula hula hoop, just keep up. Pick a color hoop, red or blue, yellow, green or pink, it's up to you. Spin it fast or spin it slow. Hula hula hoop, just let it go. Bounce it on your knees, feel the breeze. Twirl it in the air with so much ease. Jump and spin and shout, whoop whoop. Hula hula hoop, just keep the loop. Hula hula hoop, play all day. Dance and laugh and never stop. Hula hula hoop, just keep up. Kids Super Song. T is for transporter, pop and gone. Beams up a butt right on the lawn. U is for UFO, spins and gleams. A little flying saucer from our dreams. V is for Volt, boost and bright. A zappy friend who lights the night. W loops for wrench, but twists and turn. He fixes other bugs, so much to learn. X is for X-ray, but sees inside. Shows you the toys that try to hide. Y is for helicopter, spin and fly. A mini helicopter in the sky. Z is for zoomed out wheels and speed. He races all around, taking the lead. T is for transporter, pop and gong. Beams up a butt right on the lawn. U is for UFO, spins and gleams. twist and turn. He fixes other bots, so much to learn. Y is for helicopter, spin and fly, a mini helicopter in the sky. Z is for zoom, by wheels and speed. He races all around, taking the lead. L is for laser, zaps and beams, draws happy face in bright red streams. N is for mecha, stomp and wave, a giant robot suit, so fun and brave. N is for nanobot, tiny and bright, they build and sparkle, a beautiful sight. L is for orb, floats and stamps, a friendly flying eye that shows it cares. E is for pylon, buzz and hum, shoots playful sparks, here they come. Q is for quantum chip, glows so deep, holding smart secrets that the circuits keep. R is for rocket, zoom and blast, flies through the stars, so very fast. S is for spaceship, hovers low, wobbles and wings, ready to go. Kids Super Songs. A is for Android, beep and blink, zooms through circuits in a shiny blue skin. B is for bugs, rolls and beeps, a happy little ball that bounces and leaps. C is for cybercat, purrs and glows, chasing digital butterflies wherever it goes. D is for droid, dog wags its tail, fetches a data ball without a fail. E is for engine, whirs and flares, pushes little rockets high up in the airs. F is for flying bot, buzz and zip, a friendly little drone on a delivery trip. G is for gear, clicks and turns, connecting with another, that's how it learns. H is for hoverboard, floats and glides, swoops through the air on electric tides. I is for ion blaster, pew pew pew, shoots colorful bubbles, me and you. J is for jetpack, whoosh and fly, blast a little robot way up high. K is for keybot, wiggles and fits, unlocks the glowing magic door bit by bit. Kids Super Songs. Five little monkeys jumping on the bed, one fell down and hit his head. Mama called the doctor when she saw the pain. Doctor said no monkey should jump again. They never listen when they want to play, but every time they end up in dismay. No more monkeys jumping on the bed, or you might wake up with a bump on your head. Mama's gonna call the doctor right away. said no more jumping in this place. They never listen when they wanna play, but every time they end up in dismay. Your monkey's jumping on the bed, or you might wake up with a bump on your head. Mama's gonna call the doctor right away, and he'll say no more monkeys can play. Three little monkeys thought it was a game. One hit the floor and yelled in pain. Mama held her clothes and shook her head. Doctor said these monkeys need their bed. No more monkeys jumping on the bed, or you might wake up with a bump on your head. Mama's gonna call the doctor right away, and he'll say no more monkeys can play. Two little monkeys still did learn. One slipped off and took his turn. Mama sighed and picked him off the ground. Doctor said no more jumping all around. No more monkeys jumping on the bed, or you might wake up with a bump on your head. Mama's gonna call the doctor right away, and he'll say no more monkeys can play. One little monkey jumped alone. She fell right down and let out a groan. Mama tucked her in and kissed her cheek. Doctor said it's bedtime, now sleep tight and sweet. No more monkeys jumping on the bed, well, you may wake up with a bump on your head. Mama's gonna call the doctor right away, and he'll say no more monkeys can play. Kids Super Songs. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, shining bright just like a diamond in the sky. When the sun has